I feel like my community is dirty, to say the least.
We have a lot of problems with illegal dumping and littering around the alleys in the San Antonio neighborhood. Illegal dumping, what means is that people drop in the street vast amounts of trash, not just a can of soda or things of that, or wrapping, but big items such as mattresses, beds, fridges, and all kinds of stuff.
It's too much illegal dumping going on, and then there's not enough people out there who actually coming out to be responsible for, you know, dealing with the stuff that's been dumped.
We have so much illegal dumping because people just don't respect the community. It's one person stopped in the middle of the street, load up like 3 couches, 4 mattresses on the street, not on the sidewalk, and there was traffic on the back. I was get a call and the person didn't care. He says, I don't care, F you, and they left. And they left everything there.
And so I think it's a problem that definitely needs to be, you know, dealt with. And it's sad that there's still people out here who get paid money from people, you know, to haul trash away, and they getting paid or have gotten paid, and then they take it, and instead of going to do what they need to do, they take it and bring it to places like here or the alleyways or, you know, streets that they know they can get away with it, you know.
We have so much illegal dumping because people just don't respect the community.
Having a dirty neighborhood, it just encourages people to not really care about where they're actually living at. When the community is dirty, it opens up more traffic for crime. You know what I mean? Like when something's dirty, a person wouldn't feel as bad standing up and selling drugs right in front of a dirty liquor store or a dirty abandoned building or something like that.
You know, and in Oakland, man, we got like a lot of dirty, grimy streets, you know.
And dirty also means not safe in many people's mind.
We've actually been robbed, I don't know, like 12 times in the past 12 months.
People are less likely to do illegal activity in a well-lit area, you know what I mean? Most of the crime and stuff happens in areas where it's kind of grim and dark looking, and you know what I mean? It's not as well lit.
Illegal dumping poses a health hazard, definitely. We found a lot of used needles, condoms, and also toxic waste.
I just wanted to be somewhere where my 5-year-old daughter could walk and not get cut by broken glass.
The city, when they work with us, they tell us never pick up the trash with your own hands. Use gloves and use you know, pickers to avoid, but never touch the trash because there's a lot of hazardous materials in the trash.
You know, we came across diapers, you know, some like bloody rags, needles. To keep the community clean, I think everyone, I mean, first step really is everyone needs to care.
What I think the city should do is basically monitor more who is doing the illegal dumping, number one, and also work with the community about reporting illegal dumping.
I think that, you know, the city has to do more in terms of, you know, really aggressively attacking it, you know, and trying to figure out how to consistently give people fines, you know what I mean? How to do a little undercover, like for example, it should be somebody who passed through here on the weekends, because that's generally the time, or in the evenings. They know that this is a spot that has been dumped at regularly, so you should have somebody lightweight patrolling, you know what I mean, just to see and trying to catch somebody in the act, you know what I mean?
The community can report illegal dumping to the city of Oakland, Public Works, and there's also a website, seeclickfix.com, where people can take pictures of the pile of trash and send an email and report for the city to pick it up. So the most effective way that the community can do in this neighborhood is to report the illegal dumping so it gets cleaned up.
I think the city should invest more money to keep it clean because, I mean, you're supposed to take pride in your city.
I think that we need to be proud of our community in order to start caring about it and keep it clean and keep it, you know, a safe, clean, inviting place to live.
How do I want for this neighborhood to look like? Well, there's always a vision to be a lot cleaner, to have more businesses coming into the area that provide services that the people need here, to be safer, and also for people at the end to be proud of living here and saying that they're from San Antonio. So that's basically how I feel, you know, the neighborhood can improve.
Definitely like to see clean streets and, you know, not have not have it be a place where people think they can come here to dump their old furniture and tires.
Having a dirty neighborhood is something that you don't want.